students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj, TGT English, retired from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Jianpur, Azamgarh. Let us learn how to use sentences without articles. Article omission. In so many sentences, articles are omitted, left out. Let us learn. For your proper noun, examples have been given here, okay, on the whiteboard. One by one, I would like to explain. I would like to make you understand. I would like to make you learn. Newton was a great mathematician. Proper noun, Newton, proper noun. So, article has not been here used. Proper noun. There is no sugar. Sugar in tea. In the tea. Not in the tea, but tea. Sugar. Material noun, tea, material noun. So, article hasn't been here used. Patience. Patience now, abstract noun. Abstract noun is a virtue, a gun hai. Newton, proper noun. Sugar or tea, material noun. Patience, now abstract noun. So, no article. It has taken no article. Okay. Virtue, this is also noun. If emphasis you want to emphasize, if you want to particularize virtue, then the may be used. A article also for your general use, a may be used. Okay. Suppose in particular case or situation, if Newton, that is to be particularized. For example, Ram is the Newton of the class. Newton of the class. Ram is the Newton of the class. Ramesh is the Shakespeare of our village. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of our country, India. Next rule, that is, children are so sweet, cute. Children here, common noun, countable, common noun. But general use it is. It is now general use. If you want to emphasize children, the article, it may take the article. The children are so sweet. But here, without article, without any definite article or indefinite article, it has been left out. Mine. No. Other sentence. Man is a social animal. Mine. Common noun. Whole of the human race. It indicates, it expresses, it shows whole of the human race. Man is a social animal. Social animal. But here a article. But the man here not used. Man is a social animal. Likely, animals have less brain than human beings. मानव से कहीं कम जानवरों को ब्रेन होता है. No article. Common noun, countable noun, but no article. And other sentences here. Now, very particular sentences written here on the whiteboard. You see, what kind of man is he? Man here, you see, no article. A and the article, definite article an, or indefinite article an, or definite article the. A and the or the hasn't been used. Just here, what kind of man he? A man is he. What किस प्रकार का आदमी है? What sort of woman here? Now she is a she. What sort of woman is a she? What type of house do you have? किस प्रकार का घर रखते हैं? You see here what kind of, what sort of, what type of, after what kind of, what type of, what sort of noun has been used here. House noun, woman noun, and man noun, but without article. Article has been left out. I mean to say, this is a rule. What sort of, what kind of, what type of noun, after these words, if a noun is used, that is used without any article. Okay, from head to next rule. From head to foot, she is dressed in red. Head to foot, सर से पैर तक. She is dressed in red. Red में वह red पहने हुए, पोशाक पहने हुए. You see here, from head to foot. Here is the pair, head and foot. No article. No article here has been used. No article. Pair, next pair, that is both husband and wife. They are poets. They are writers. Both husband and wife. Okay. No article here. Okay. Article has been left out because of pair, husband and wife, pair of husband and wife, pair of head and foot. In that case, no article will be used. Article will be omitted. I was appointed. Next rule, I was appointed class teacher. Class teacher, noun here, but no article. Class teacher, noun. So, any post, rank, etc., teacher, principal, prime minister, etc., if it is used in an expression or sentence, the article is left out. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, proper noun. President of India, here you see, President of India, President noun, right? But before noun, no article. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, no article. Who is Dr. Rajendra Prasad? It refers to President of India. It is now in case of opposition. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, President of India. These two expressions refers to the same person. It shows President of India. Who is President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. President of India. Now we have a noun before noun. Okay. No article has been used. Lake Samba. Next rule, that is Lake Samba. England, Sonipat. Okay, after before proper noun, no article. Proper noun, city, it is no article. Sonipat, place, no article. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, before Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, no article. March, April, January, February, March, April, no article. Language, Hindi, English, Urdu, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, etc. No article. No article before these nouns to be used. Okay. And next rule, that is you are invited to dinner. आपको dinner पर आमंत्रित किया जाता है. Dinner, lunch, breakfast, dinner, lunch, breakfast, or brunch. Okay, snacks. Eating item, time, no article here used, no article. We shall meet at coffee. Material noun it is coffee, no article here to be used. I go to office. Next rule, in case office, hospital, I go to office. Office, no article. Hospital, no article. It will take no article. Church, no article. Temple, no article. Mosque, no article. Masjid, school, no article. College, no article. Bed, no article. I go to office, I go to hospital, I go to college, I go to temple, I go to bed. Now I go to mosque, I go to church, I go to temple, etc. It doesn't have any kind of article before it. Most girls are not careless. Most, it is, superlative degree, but it doesn't take article. Okay, here is a news. News, you see here, noun, no article, it takes no article. You are in good health. Health, noun, okay, before noun, good here adjective, but no article it has taken. Now, here are some very particular sentences written on whiteboard. These are the phrases. They don't have any kind of article, definite article or indefinite article. They don't have. Example here. Next rule. Example here. Don't lose heart. Himmat mat haro. Don't lose heart. No article. Here no article. Send him a word. उसको कोई संदेश भेज दो, शब्द भेज दो. No article. Take heart. No article. No article. Set to work. No. काम पर लग जाओ. No article. Be at home. घर पर रहो. No article. Walk on foot. Foot down, no article. Work by day. Day, noun, and now, no article. Work by day. Sleep by night. No article are to be used. And the next rule, that is of about some prepositional phrases. Now, they don't have any article, definite or indefinite article, they don't have. For an example, examples have been given here. I am not at home. The same, be at home. I am not at home. Home noun, but no article. She is in mental trouble. Mental trouble, no article. Return at sunset. Sunset पर लौटाओ. At sunset. सूर्यास्त होते समय लौटाओ. No article here. Travel by air. वायुयान से यात्रा करो. Air noun, and no article. It takes. Go to school. अभी जैसा example हमने किया है, go to office, church, etc. So go to school. No article. It does take. On go to school on foot. No article. You see here. No article. Live in Shanti Kunji, Shanti Gali. It is the name of a place. So no article. No article. Now, just before prepositional phrase, just before, if a prepositional phrase has been given before noun, no article has been used. No any kind of article, definite or indefinite, will be used. Yes, dear, come on to the next point, next rule. Verbal phrases without articles. ये verbal phrases कौन है और बिना आर्टिकल्स के प्रयोग होंगे. कुछ यहाँ पर हमने एक लिस्ट बनाया है, आपको दे रहे हैं. कैच फायर, कैच वर्ब फायर नाउन, ये वर्बल फ्रेज हो गया. कास्ट एंकर, कास्ट वर्ब एंकर नाउन ऐसे ही है. फॉलो शूट, फॉलो नाउन वर्ब shoot, noun. Keep, house, keep, verb, house, noun. This is now verbal phrases. Lose heart, leave home, give ear, do penance, lay seas, set foot, send word, set shoot, take offense, set sail, take heart, set to walk, and take patience, etc. There are so many verbal phrases. Let us learn how to use in sentences. तो हम सीखते हैं भाई, चलिए. My thatched roof has caught fire. Has caught fire. ये verbal phrase है. मेरा वो झोपड़ी पट्टी वाला रूफ, घास फूस वाला रूफ, thatched roof has caught fire. आग पकड़ लिया है, पकड़ चुका है, पकड़ लिया है. The ship has cast anchor. शिप से वो उसको एंकर लगा दिया गया है. एंकर वो लंगर होता है. Don't lose heart. Lose heart मत करो, हिम्मत मत हारो. Take patience. धीरज रखो. Take patience. Okay. Give ear to what I say. मैं क्या कहता हूं. What I teach. मैं क्या पढ़ाता हूं. Give ear to what I teach or say. मैं क्या कहता हूं या पढ़ाता हूं, उस पर ध्यान दो. Give ear to. Don't set foot. Set foot in danger zone में कदम मत रखना, मत बढ़ना. Let me set to walk. प्लीज मुझे काम करने दो. Set to walk. मुझे काम पर भिड़ने दो. My mother keeps house very well. Keeps house. Verbal phrase. मेरी माँ घर गृहस्थी अच्छा से चलाती है. Very well. Keeps house, घर गृहस्थी चलाना. My mother keeps house very well. The police lays siege. तो पुलिस ने घेराबंदी कर दिया. किनकी? डकैट्स की. डकैट्स की अच्छी तरह से घेर लेते हैं. Send him word. उसको एक वो शब्द भेज दो, मैसेज भेज दो, संदेश दे दो, शब्द दे दो. Send him word. I was taken heart. Take heart से taken heart. मुझको प्रोत्साहित किया गया. भाई माय टीचर, मेरे टीचर, अपने टीचर के द्वारा मुझे प्रोत्साहन मिला, प्रोत्साहित किया गया. Without fail and delay. बिना देर के, बिना असफल हुए, बिना देर के. Come forward, आगे बढ़ो. And set sail, प्रस्थान करो. तो set sail, lays sails, send word, okay, keeps house, set to, set foot, give ear, lose heart, take patience, cast anchor, has caught fire. And these are the verbal phrases, and these have been used in sentences. Okay, and try to use rest verbal phrases in your own sentences. Dear, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks all.